So you're going to find yourself a chatter like this. Oh my goodness. I got this message last night from one of our chatters saying, hey, I would like to log out early because I'll be giving birth later. I'll prepare all things now. I don't know how long I'll be at the hospital, but I'll report to you as soon as I go home. I could not believe it. The work ethic from this girl is astounding. I was telling a lot of people about this. This is the difference between Filipinos and a lot of people in the Western world. The Western nations, forget about it. There was no way you'd be working right up until the point you give birth, and nor would I expect them to. You get it's the sniffles and some will take a week off over here. It's crazy. I just had to show everyone this. I couldn't believe it. It is absolutely insane. So I thought that I would show everyone how to recruit quality chatters like this. First of all, I would start off hiring in the Philippines. So how do we find them? Well, we went to a place called onlinejobs.ph. I'm since banned from there, but luckily we got what we needed. They started cracking down on NSFW posts, posting advertising for like sex work, chatters, things like that. I actually created a template to get around that, to hire people in code that will hire the right team or hire the right person, but without flagging the website that you are referring to OnlyFans or sex work or, chatting, things like that. As usual, on the Empire, shows exactly what to do. Here it is, the OnlyFans hiring OnlyFans chatter ad template. That is on this. No, I will not show you on here. You have to go to Empire Gate yourself. So I formulated a way to create an ad to hire the right chatter in code. So we didn't mention the word adult or like OnlyFans or anything like that, but they still understood. So I'd go hire there. Or you can hire on freelancers and then you just kind of filter. As you're getting applications come in, you just kind of filter who's from the Philippines, stuff like that. But yeah, you use this template here. So you'll go there, copy paste the title from the chatter ad, and then you just fill it out accordingly, list the hourly wage. This is for freelancer, but you can list it on online jobs as well. It'll be a similar kind of process. And yeah, that's it. Another thing to help, chatting reports. I would give them each chatter, each VA, actually, I do this to all the VAs, reports based on their performance, what they could be doing better. I put it in a nice way. Pretty sure I got ChatGPT to write this out. Yeah, so I see a lot of people say it's hard trying to find the right chatter. They're all useless. Yeah, it's things like that. But personally, I reckon, okay, yes, you're going to get some that are just outright dumb. Like in general, you're just going to get people that are outright dumb. In that case, you want to hire quick and fire. You want to hire quick and fire quick. If you know they're not going to work right off the bat due to whatever reason, fire them quick so you can get on with it. But more times than not, it comes down to the trainer. It comes down to the person who trains them. Because if you're worried about their English speaking ability, for example, if you give them enough chatting scripts to use, then you leave very little room for error. If you give them so much material that they barely need to improvise and they barely need to write their own sentences, they barely need to construct their own sentences, then you're not leaving a lot of room for error. So it all comes down to the trainer. I reckon that is a massive cop-out. Can't find a good chatter. I don't know, they're all crap. None of them know what to do. I'm pretty sure that comes down to you, and you have to be able to train them accordingly, incentivize them, and make them want to work hard. If they think you're a jerk, well, they're going to do the bare minimum, just like anyone would. It's the whole carrot and the stick thing. But then the other thing is, they'll probably start off good, no worries at all. The longer you have them, you might start noticing errors here and there. So instead of blasting them, instead of sending them a one-off message, whatever, compose a chatting report. So then they can immortalize it, they can go back through it. You'll list everything they've done, everything you would prefer them to do along with screenshots, then they can revisit if they need. And then I do this in intervals. When they're first starting out, I'll do it after a couple of weeks, and they'll be after like a month, and then, yeah, barely any after that. By then, they're pretty much perfect. So that's it. So that's the other little secret we do. So yeah, chatting reports. What else we got? How to pay them. Yeah, how to find them. Training templates, whole training modules. Guess what? Where is it? Empire Forums, baby. I will see you there. Price is jumping up to $199 a month when we get to 500 members. Wow, that's expensive. Yeah, it is expensive. Do you know why it's expensive? Because of all the shit that's in there. It's crazy. Oh my God, we're over 402. Well, there you go. We're nearly there. At the moment, it's only 79. So if you want to wait around and think, oh, it's pretty expensive, I'd rather spend $2,000 on this course because this course is everything. Then you open it to see a little shitty course like this one a friend sent me. He goes, hey, check this course out. It was by the Lost Boys or something, Lost Boys Academy. What a piece of dog shit. Oh my God, it looked like ChatGPT wrote out a big thing. I didn't see one dot point in there. I didn't see one screenshot. I didn't see one diagram. It was literally just text. There was a whole section, a whole page just on choosing the right brand colors for your new agency. So if you want to go spend you want to spend a heap of money, $2,000 to do that, no worries at all. But for us, the real ones who want to get work done, we'll be on the Empire forums. And if you wait too long, you'll be paying $199 a month. So you probably don't want to wait around too long. And that's it. I was going to run you through this, but fucking speaks for itself. It really does. It's like amazing. I'm creating the best product possible. I'm creating exactly what I wanted when I was starting out. And everything that I know, Empire will know. No gatekeeping, none of the scarcity mindset. Oh, fuck, everyone's going to know and they're going to... Yeah, that's for losers who are afraid to work hard and work hard. That doesn't make sense. Anyway, that's how you know I should end the video. So that's it. So if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I'll see you on another video.